Hi everyone, my name is Tootie DeMarco, and I'm a machinist and vintage motorcycle restorer and enthusiast, and I specialize in Honda Dreams. I'm excited today to introduce a new product that I've designed and developed for the early Honda Dreams, the one taking the long, thin battery. Now, recognizing the void and availability of a good replacement battery for the early Honda Dreams, the CA77s, the CA72s, that fit exactly as the original, we sought out to come up with a better option than the 50-year-old acid battery available online and in limited quantities. Now, the battery had to be reliable and operate the electric starter effectively, as well as hold the air cleaner cover in its place while using all original battery components with no modification. Now, the Dream On Honda Dream battery adapter, the advantages are it's the same size as the OEM battery. It allows the use of all the original Honda factory components, the tool tray, the ground strap, the side cover, the battery tray, etc. It holds the air cleaner cover in its place. There's no other attachment. It's more reliable. It's more available. There's no acid to ruin your chrome or your paint. And at the end of the battery's life, simply replace the battery and reuse the Dream On battery adapter. Now here's one right here. Here's one that's installed. Perfect fit. If this interests you, you can contact me on Facebook, Tootie DeMarco, or email me, DeMarco's Taxidermy at frontier.com. Thank you.